අයිබෝවන් hey ඔක්කො වෙල්කම් නැටිල් නීස් කිචන් idag ska jag laga svensk köttbullar i köket. So let's make a Swedish dish today at Nees Kitchen. Well, there are so many unique and different Swedish dishes out there, but I thought of making Nees Kitchen version of Swedish chicken meatballs today with mustard creamy sauce. Well, I started to eat these Swedish meatballs from IKEA, that is IKEA, at their restaurant with smashed potatoes and creamy sauce, and I started loving it. Most of Swedish meatballs are made with beef or pork, but chicken seems to be the most available protein, so I thought I'd make the chicken version of Swedish meatballs. So let's check the ingredients. These ingredients are for chicken meatballs. 500 grams of minced chicken. This can be found in any supermarket very easily. Then 1 finely chopped onion, 2 crushed garlic cloves, 6 tablespoons of olive oil, mustard oil or butter. I have used mustard oil. And then 50 grams of breadcrumbs, 1 egg. And for seasoning, black pepper, salt, Sri Lankan roasted curry powder and chili powder, and of course cumin powder, or you can use your choice of spices. For gravy or for thick sauce, I've used 1 cup of heavy cream, that is 200 milligram, and some finely chopped herbs. I have used parsley, and 3 tablespoons of flour, and then 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 cup of chicken broth, that is 500 milligrams. You can make this easily at home, and black pepper and salt for seasoning, and some soya sauce. So let's get started. First step, to a large frying pan on low to medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil or butter, and then add 2 crushed garlic cloves. Then add finely chopped onion, and you need to gently sweat until mix these onions with crushed garlic. Now we are going to season this with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper and half a teaspoon of Sri Lankan roasted curry powder and half a teaspoon of Sri Lankan chili powder, and of course some cumin powder and some breadcrumbs. Now you need to mix these ingredients well for a couple of minutes and leave to cool a little. As the second step, in a mixing bowl, add 500 grams of minced chicken and crack 1 whole egg. Then add the garlic and onion mixture that we prepared. Now give a good mix using your hands. The prepared onion and garlic mixture has to be well incorporated with chicken and the egg. Form some balls. This has to be slightly smaller than a golf ball, but it depends on your choice. So you have to make these balls using your hands, and I've coated them with some breadcrumbs also to get rid of that stickiness. We need to give a good fry to these meatballs. So add the rest of the oil on gently heat to the pan and fry these meatballs by keep turning them as they become slowly golden brown. They may lose their shape a little bit, but that's totally fine. You need to fry these meatballs for about 10 to 15 minutes roughly. And once all golden brown, so set aside, and meanwhile let's focus on the gravy. Using the same unwashed pan on medium heat, Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 3 tablespoons of flour. Now mix well and scrape any residue from the bottom of the pan, because this gravy needs to be a little more thick. Now add heavy cream into the roasted flour mixture, and add chicken broth and combine everything together. Gently simmer until this becomes kind of creamy without any lumps. Now the gravy is creamy, so return the meatballs to the pan, and you need to cook roughly for 7 minutes. Meanwhile, season this with salt, pepper, and chopped herbs and some soya sauce. Make sure you turn these meatballs so they are evenly cooked and coated in the sauce properly. Now you can see the gravy is thicker and it's well combined with meatballs. These meatballs will serve with smashed potatoes because they really like potatoes, but you can even serve this with pasta or rice. So tada! We have our delicious Swedish chicken meatballs in Ni's kitchen style. So I hope you like the Ni's Kitchen version of Swedish chicken meatballs, and I know you're gonna love this and you're gonna definitely make this at home. Then you don't have to go for IKEA to get these delicious meatballs. So this will just take 30 to 35 minutes. This is very easy if you follow the instructions and get the correct ingredients. So I hope you like the video. Stay tuned and do subscribe to Ni's Kitchen to get these amazing recipes. So thank you for watching. Hej då!